let's say, the Western world, and even in what you see in China, there is a lot of distance for India to cover. Most of the automation investments in India today we see is still focused on quality, and there is a lot of improvement in terms of the kind of investment that is being made to ensure there is product reliability. Um, there is a greater amount of investment in end of line testing, for example, and we're also seeing usage of good technology coming in, especially in areas where use of vision systems, even the use of artificial intelligence in terms of areas which are a little fuzzy, that sort of lends itself well for using ML or AI to get you better products. But areas in which are best done by people, there is still question of ROI. This will continue to remain in the next few years, where they would probably make more commercial sense, that will remain manual in nature, and these will take some more years before there is a greater degree of automation there. If you were to compare where we are today vis-a-vis, let's say, advanced manufacturing countries like now China and earlier Germany, India's manufacturing percentage of GDP is around 17%. On a current $3 trillion economy, around $400 billion is what manufacturing contributes. In comparison, if you look at China, China is a $18 trillion economy, and it has about 27% of GDP which is manufacturing, which is close to $5 trillion, around $5 trillion that manufacturing contributes. And hence what you see in China is a significant amount of investment in automation. Automation in China is, in a way, maybe 50, 60 times larger than what we see in India. And we see that trend sort of picking in India too. And probably it will be at a faster pace in India. India is likely to be by 2025, a $5 trillion economy. And in that, manufacturing is likely to cross maybe 18-20%. In Europe, we've built lines that have used greater degree, in the sense fully automatic lines, using a lot of vision systems, which absolutely minimum number of people. And many of the lines that we've seen in most of these countries, is the most modern lines there are coming from us. So we have been quite in the forefront of technology here as far as automation is concerned, and we are looking at increasing that presence there. We're also looking at building our own IoT suite that builds in more intelligence in the machines that we give to our customers. We are looking at incorporating a lot more AI, ML, especially in areas where they lend themselves well. And we will do a lot more research on that area so that we are ready. We are also looking at entering various other segments that are likely to grow in India, especially in the areas of electronics, and trying to build most of our capability there to cater to that segment, which is very unique. And we think that segment will be one of the leading segments in India, where automation is likely to lend itself really well.